Hello to my subscribers, my future subscribers, and my Facebook nail group family. This is Amorica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would demonstrate how I make a candy corn. I am going to be using the iGel Beauty Dip and Dap powders, and I have to be really careful with the ratio because since it's an extra fine powder, it will marbleize on the nail, so you have to really be really careful about that. And I was warned about that when I purchased the system. All right, let us begin. So I've got, like I said, all my colors out in the order I'm going to use them, including my clear. That is by ASP to encapsulate. Actually, you know, let's see. Do I have the clear here? Here, the iGel Beauty Clear. I have that right here. Let's go ahead and use that one instead. So move that one out of the way. There you go. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start from the top and work my way down through trial and error. That has been the best way for me using for the design I'm going to do. So we're going to start out with our yellow first. And remember, you don't want it to be too thick. Kind of let it level out because this is just mainly our color. The strength and the thickness is going to come from the clear once we encase it. Alright, now we're going to apply our orange. It's Tequila Sunrise. The yellow is Mellow Yellow. And this color here, the orange, is Tequila Sunrise. As you can see, it's got that almost like a gummy consistency. Now we're going to add a smidget more of the orange or the Tequila Sunrise. Okay, now we're going to add our white. And you have to make sure that your brush is running clear, because the orange will marbleize, like I said, into your white. So try to really get that brush really clean, as clean as you can. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and and pick up some white for the tip. You can see how gummy that is. This white's really just supposed to be on the tip. So you got your candy corn effect. Of course, the candy corn is more of in a triangle. But if someone doesn't want triangle nails, they want oval nails, this is a great candy corn design. Now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate. See, maybe I should add a little more orange on there, because the body of the candy is it's a lot more orangey. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give that just a moment to dry. And then I'm going to encapsulate. And the reason I do that is because we don't want the orange to blend in with the clear and then end up pulling it, you know, all the way through the nail and the whole design. Okay, I reach for my clear. Starting midway through. Feathering it down. I'm using a number 12 oval. And this is Beauty Secrets brush. Everything I use, I want to make sure that you have easy access to. There you go. And that you can find at your local store. So if you ever want to follow along with me, you can do so, because you're going to have everything I have. Alright, there we have it. Oops. If anybody has any idea what I should do besides get new fingers, I'm noticing that after a few applications, Tammy can't keep her nails on. So please comment below, let me know what you do to keep these on after a while. I'd really hate to get rid of her. I may have to get something else. Alright, we'll be right back with the finished product. here we have the finished product. There you go. Isn't that pretty? That came out really nice. There is the candy corn effect. I love it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you found this informative, and I hope you got to learn something different. If you have any suggestions to make my task even more fun, please comment below. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe, and click on that bell so that you get notifications of new video releases. Thank you so much for coming and visiting me, and always remember, I am honored that you would allow me to share my passion for nails with you.